Good morning everybody, welcome back to Summer Night Shortcut Story 1 and let's play. Just woke up so everybody, so maybe I'm going to have a lower voice because of my cold maybe, because I think I have a cold last night, but at least now I noticed it immediately and I countered it. For now I'm going to play and continue making plate a walkthrough on this, then later I will upload this on other platforms. Yeah, without further ado, let's continue. Oh man, it's been a while. Let's go. Wait, no? Okay, yeah, I forgot. Nazi. Yeah, going to Razi then. Okay. I always forget what to do right now. Oh man, I'm still sleeping. So I hope there is Shortcut Story 3 or other this game on other platforms. The early Bigsies, let's say lang. Let's go to it's time to say another earthquake. Not yet. Too many earthquakes. I wonder if there are any connections between the earthquakes and the Kagro volcano. Let's head out, Bigsies. Oh hehe, I was just facing a sorry about that. One scale. Here we are, Bigsies. You guys can take care of this now. Sure. Alright, Bigsies, I'm going now. Let's go, Putty. Oh yeah. The alien soldiers recently showed up around here. They're getting on our nerves. They're not going to start war or something here. I saw lots of soldiers at the lighthouse. I don't feel like getting close to it. We shouldn't get too close to it later. When an earthquake happens in Western, the waves at the port are rough and are a problem for us. Port Mirana has been occupied and appears to be fortified. I wonder if the Icleans will face this town like this. Since the tournament the craft started, this business in this town has taken off. The tournament will end soon, so I guess we'll get fewer tourists and visitors to visit. Agua volcano has interrupted, but why are we still yet having earthquakes? Oh, so they are here. Since Taglayan people appeared here, things are sailing well. But I wonder if we should really be happy about it. Hands on you. The lady who lives at the top of the hill is quite beautiful, but I think I've seen her somewhere. Okay, this is the Taglayan soldiers. Maybe I'll go to here later. Excuse me, I'm running errands for Braun. Oh, long time no see. Places, there's a promotion going on now. They're giving double cash for trade-ins. Well then, go check on the shipment, so you guys wait for me. Now. Oh, magnificent. Bronze swords are always great, just as expected. Here's the money. I doubled it as promised, so take it to Braun. Sis, I didn't know that my uncle is that great. Razi, you don't know Braun all that well, do you? No, he'd rather be a strict master than caring uncle. That's all I can picture about him. You're not right, but you're not really wrong either. He's now who you know him as, but he used to be a candidate for craft lord once. Braun refused to accept the position and Lambert became the craft lord instead. You're kidding me. Was he really that great? I didn't know that either. Kuti didn't remember, I guess. We need to train to be even better than our master. Oh yeah? Last year, a brother and sister moved into this town. But the sister seems to be suffering from an illness. She's here to recover. Did you know that exists? No, I'd never heard them from them. I see you guys didn't know, huh? I thought everybody would know about them. The one who is the craft lord of Jade, Master Rexa. Oh, he has a house on the top of the hill near my place. What? Master Rexa lives there? Cool, let's go visit his house. Wait, Razi. Kid. Oh, Master Rexa. Kuti. This is a big sis, Master Rexa's house. Stop it, Rashi. Picking into a house isn't a nice thing to do. But it's weird to enter the front door without asking, isn't it? So, oh, what a beautiful lady. Really, what is she like? I see big sister interested in this kind of things. Not really. Big sister interested in all the beautiful women. I yourself is the judge. Pretty. And it's spotted several pieces. Now the people in the welcome to come in. Hi. I'm Romari. Nice to meet you. Nice meeting you too. I'm Prati. This is Kuti. Kuti. I'm Razi. We're sorry that we became. I'm sorry. That's okay. I was just bored and alone. So I was sleeping. So did you all come from Western? Yes, we did. I see. I used to live there, but I moved back here a year ago. Here my illness. It's better for me to stay out from an industrial city like Western and live in a waterfront town with a nice breeze. Oh, are you sick? Yes, I am. So I'm sorry to hear that. Don't worry about it. I heard that the tournament for nominating a new craftler is going on in Western right now. Oh yes, I lost already, but Big Sis has moved up to the semi-final. Oh man, most impressive hang in there. I hope you win the tournament. I'm not that great. Big Sis, you're all honesty. I might be nervous. Oh, by the way, how are the 7 captains doing? Oh yes, Master Rondo is taking it easy. And Master Sakura is fine too. And we saw Master Rexa and Master Rubida today. They seem to be okay, I guess. I haven't seen Master Cole and Big Sis. I have only one lady who goes by that name, right? Yes, that's right. There used to be 2 ladies among the craft lords till 3 years ago though. You know a lot of things. Lord, I hope that's not Amaris, her mother. Oh, we haven't seen Tiram either. Speaking of which, Master King, who is it? Because I often wonder if you're really interested in craft lords. Yes, I am. To me, talking about craft lords is like talking about my father. That's why I'm interested. I see. Master Tiram is one of the 7 crafters. He's the Lord of Crystal, is known as Tiram the Calm. I'm really inspired by him, so remember that name. Calm. That is the calmness of the ocean without any wind or waves. Oh, I see. Tiram might not be in Western. Wonder if anything happened to him. They mean, Tiram is my sweet. Ah, really? Yes, but I've lost touch with him since I received a letter from him 2 months ago. For that, he came to see me every 3 days. In this pedal, without other pieces, both it and I feel lonely. Wow, it's beautiful and it's got a tear. It's got a tear shape. Looks like weeping. Yes, it may really be crying. This pendant is consisted of 3 pieces to make a shape. It's like puzzle. A piece to myself, another to Tiram, and the other to my brother. This was the gift. This was a gift in the hopes that the 3 of us can put the pieces back someday and live happily. Oh, I'm so left on. I only talk about myself. Oh no, not at all. Oh, Big Sis, we might want to head back, or Master will yell at us. Romari, please excuse us. May we come and visit you again? Oh, of course you may. Kuti, I'm sorry. I know just what to do this. Even if I involve the child of Shintetsu. Kuti, I'm sorry, please support Prati. What are you waiting for? Kuti, Raz is already gone to the port. Oh, I'm sorry I'm late. Ang sa klase. I digley and ship left just earlier, but I saw Alexa on board the one while he was on the ship. She doesn't know that Alexa and Robert are working for the Legleans. Should I let them? No. Should I let Razi know this? Or not? Because Razi, let's get back and consult someone about this putty part now. Tama. Okay, let's go now. Okay, this is for the video now, everyone. Bye bye and God bless everybody.